everyone, my name is Carla Calderon. In this video I'm going to show you guys the makeup that I use whenever I'm like just wanting to put just a little makeup. I'm not focusing on my eyes so much because this is like something that I will just put on if I feel like I want to put some color to my skin. And so if you guys are interested in seeing that, then continue to watch this video. Before I get started, I do want to mention that all the products that I use are from SeneGence because that's what I love, and I already prepped my skin with the Silk and Pore Minimizer. So now that it's ready, I'm going to hide certain spots on my face. So I'm going to use the green concealer, and it's just basically wherever I feel like there's a lot of red areas.
I like to hold my brush from the end and then I lightly press onto my skin. The reason I like to hold it from the end is so that way it avoids creating new wrinkles.
So now I'm going to take this ShadowSense, which is Candlelight, and I'm going to put it on those blemishes.
ShadowSense can be used in multiple ways, so in this case I am using it just to hide those red blemishes.
Now I'm going to use my foundation.
I like to use only one pump, and this is normally enough for my whole face. And I like to also put some on my neck area as well, so that way it creates an even tone.
Something I forgot to say, this is not really a foundation. This is just a color corrected tinted moisturizer. So that's what I use, and this is in the shade medium. I'm going to use this concealer under my eye, which is in the tone light.
With the brush, I like to concentrate under the eye area, and whatever is left on the brush, I like to put it on my T-zone and my eyelids.
Okay, so I am now going to use the Smoke Topaz, which is a ShadowSense, for my eyebrows.
Like I said before, ShadowSense can be used in multiple ways, as a concealer, for eyebrows, blush, and as a shadow. The good thing about SeneGence products is that they are long-lasting and waterproof.
And then because I feel like it looks like a lot, then I like to get this spoolie and just brush them. This is when I grab the mascara and I sit on it, so then it warms up the product. Now I'm going to use my powder.
I like to use the powder so that it creates a matte finish and so that it absorbs oil throughout the day. I don't normally reapply, but I know there's a lot of girls that do that. Now I'm curling my eyelashes.
And I'm going to get this as my blush, which is another powder.
Something I forgot to mention is that SeneGence powders come in a tube with a brush.
Now I'm going to use my favorite LipSense shade, which is Girlfriend.
To use LipSense, you need to use 3 thin layers, so this will be my first one. And make sure that you let it dry.
I'm gonna get now my mascara.
My least favorite part is to apply mascara because I feel that every time that I am doing it, I either get it on my eyelid or they get stuck together, my lashes. So that's the reason that I use this BrushPicks, because it has like a little brush on there, and then I just like comb them through so that it gets separated. Here I am applying my second layer of LipSense, and then this is the third and final layer.
Now I'm gonna use my gloss.
The gloss is so that it seals the color. As you guys can see on the wand, it was not transferred, and that's what I love about LipSense.
Alright, so this is it. This is my makeup look. I still have to do my hair, so I might have to do my hair off camera because otherwise this video is gonna be longer than what I wanted. And there's some parts of my hair that is still wet, so I'm waiting for that to dry on its own. I do not blow dry my hair because, one, I don't know how to, and even if I knew, I don't think I would do it, just because I'd rather my hair dry on its own than me with the blow dryer. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so you get notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.